So in 2010 was time to do the renovation. And this is sort of some interesting things that I learned through this. And I'm sure you have, do you say you've done 9 renovations? Yeah. Okay. So you will definitely have been through this. I realized for the first time that architect design plans aren't exactly what the builder needs. Because
need a lot more detail.
Yeah, they need detailed drawings.
So size piece of metal is going to hold the building up.
Yeah, how does it join with something else, you know? And I had no idea. I just figured, well, the architect designs the plans, you submit them to council, they get approved, and then the builder just builds it, right? No, not right. And so, but to get seriously detailed plans drawn up, that costs a lot of money. And my builder said to me, you don't need to worry about that. I can sort that out. And now I didn't know any better. So I went, okay. Now I'm lucky that guy could build, because so the front room upstairs, it was sort of it was sort of built into the roof line. So there was some odd roof angles.
Yeah.
And he was really proud of himself because he had to build into these odd roof angles with a nice ceiling and nice plaster work and all that sort of stuff. And he was really proud of himself, and he took me up there and he said, I just want to show you how I finished this off. And I was like, yeah, sorry, big
looks
deal.
Like a roof.
Yeah. What I hadn't realized until actually some time later anyway, that actually I dodged a massive bullet there, because I'm lucky that guy could build. If he couldn't build, and I've seen some examples now of where the finishes have been left to the builder's taste.
Right.
Yeah. And then the finished product is shoddy, like terribly finished, or just really they've had no care in it. So I was really, really lucky, but I did not realize how lucky I was until afterwards, when I started seeing evidence of what could have happened.